Good morning students, welcome back to English class. We are doing lesson 2 Pandora and the Hope Fairy. Today we are going to deal with grammar. We have already learnt in the first lesson about possessive nouns. So a possessive noun is a noun formed by adding an apostrophe and an s to a noun. So the possession shows it belongs to that person. So that thing belongs to that person. That possession or belonging we show by adding an apostrophe and also an s. So that is a possessive noun we have already learnt in previous lesson. So you can see where are Dan's shoes. Dan is the noun to which an apostrophe is placed and also an s is added, which shows that the shoes belong to Dan. So this is possessive noun. Apostrophe in this lesson was used to show possession or belonging. Now this is singular possessive noun. So when only one person, place or thing owns something, that is singular possessive noun. So we have used an apostrophe and added an s to make it singular possessive noun. My child's dog. Child is a singular noun to which an apostrophe is added and also an s is added to make it singular possessive noun. This is about plural possessive nouns. If more than one person, place or things owns something, that is a plural possessive noun. We form it by adding again an apostrophe and an s. But if a possessive noun, if a noun ends with s, as in the example girls, we add just the apostrophe after s. And if a plural noun children is not ending with s, it is ending with n, we add an apostrophe first and then s. So this is plural possessive noun. So possessive noun shows belonging of something, and in the first lesson we have learned the use of apostrophe in possession. We have already revised this. Now in the second lesson we have again got the use of apostrophe children, but that has a different purpose. Now look at the example. Are not, that is made into aren't. So AREN apostrophe T. So the word is just shortened. So this is called as contractions. What is a contraction? Contraction is just trying to make the words smaller so that it will be convenient to speak out or to write. That is called contraction. So in this lesson we are using apostrophe to make the words shorter. So second example, cannot, CANNOT. It is shortened by adding apostrophe. But we just cannot add an apostrophe. There is a change over there. What is that you can observe? CAN apostrophe T. That means two letters N and O are removed from the word. So to make words shorter, few letters are removed and an apostrophe is placed in place of those letters. That is how contractions are made, children. So cannot is changed to can't. Could not, couldn't. So N and O are replaced by just an apostrophe. Do not, don't. So just O is removed here and an apostrophe is placed. Have not, haven't. Have N and O is removed, apostrophe is placed. T. Haven't. He is, his. He apostrophe S. This apostrophe is replacing I in this. Did you observe? Here is, here's. Here apostrophe S. So I is again removed. I am, I'm. I apostrophe M. So A is removed. This is how contractions are formed. If you look at the right picture, the light blue letters are removed and an apostrophe is placed to make a contracted word. Will, WI is removed and an apostrophe is placed. It will be L. Have, HA is removed and an apostrophe is placed. That becomes a contraction. This is how contractions are made. So apostrophe in this lesson is used to shorten the words. So what are contractions, children? The words formed by shortening or joining together some words by removing some letters and replacing them with an apostrophe to form one word are called as contraction. So when you join two words together and make them as one word, in that process you have to remove few letters and in their place you need to add an apostrophe. That process of making words is called as contraction. You can see the example clearly. Cannot is changed to the contracted form can't. How have we changed it? N and O are removed. I have striked away N and O if you observe. So it becomes CAN apostrophe T. Can't. So cannot is the full form of word and can't is the short form of word. Did you understand, children? The second one is you have. H-A-V-E have. Now H-A is striked off. Did you observe it? So if it is striked off and also in place of H-A apostrophe is placed. So it becomes Y-O-U-U apostrophe V-E. That is you've. Did you understand, children? So you have is the full form. You've is the contracted form. Same way cannot is the full form. Can't is the contracted form. How is a contraction formed? By removing few letters from a word and then adding an apostrophe in their place. Now this is page number 13 of your textbook, children, which is the grammar part we have learned just now. That is about contractions. Now you have A bit and B bit in it. You need to change in the A bit the words into contracted forms, and in the B bit you need to change the contracted forms to full forms. Now first A bit, must not, it is changed to mustn't. So M-U-S-T-N apostrophe T. So what is removed over there? O is removed. In place of O, apostrophe is placed. This is contraction. Second one, I cannot. It's changed to can't. I can't. So C-A-N apostrophe T. So N and O are the letters replaced with an apostrophe here. She will. She'll. W-I is replaced with apostrophe here. He has. His. H-A is replaced with an apostrophe. They are. Their. A is replaced with an apostrophe. Did you understand, children, how to make the words into contracted form? You have to replace few words with an apostrophe. Next B bit is write the full form of the contractions in the sentences. The first one is done for you as an example. He shouldn't go out when he is ill. Shouldn't is the contracted form because few letters are removed in this word and also an apostrophe is placed. So what is the full form of shouldn't? Should not. Second one, they've already bought her a gift. They've is the contracted form because few letters are removed and also an apostrophe is placed. That is underlined, you can see. And the full form of this is they have. So it is have. Rita's always on time. Rita's is the contracted form and the full form is Rita is. I'm very happy today. I'm is the contracted form and the full form is I am. Akbar won't cheat his customers. Won't is the contracted form and the full form is will not. Have you all understood the lesson, children?